You say you they find my number to call me. My dear, if you don't see where to invite this video, make this girl come. So when I she talk, as woman to woman, know. Not be the one she come out, go they do live video, maybe say she never know me. Eh? She just carry go they do live video, begin they lie, put for your mama head. As in which kind level that one now? Eh? Not be say you just carry come out on live video call they talk. You still carry my picture, join the live video. Wait me do you? I know you before. Fine, you say somebody tell you say he know me too well for Italy. Fine, okay. Somebody tell you say he know me too well for Italy. Then you come out, call they talk rubbish. Say as in who you be. You say you the person say he know me before for Italy. Say the baby when me they say government carry. I know somebody take rubbish. If you comment rubbish here, I will block you. I also block your useless ass Jonah. So you say somebody tell you say he know me from Italy. Say I don't first stay for Italy before. And that baby when me they cry say government carry the baby. Now for Italy I for carry the belly conference. And the man wey give me the belly, I put her for prison. Put her for prison for Italy. I put her for prison. Then I could follow old man run call conference call this day. And the man when me follow when me run come out with conference. So now the man now he come make government collect the baby from my hand. You also say the man are 47 years old. Fine. I know say I bring one topic come on Facebook or they talk. Say one man say make government carry my old baby for my hand, yeah. Fine. The man are 47 years. But we should be say you go come on live video, call they talk. And you go carry my picture, you go put on John. Why not? Why you carry my picture, John? I know you before. And the person where tell you say he know me before for Italy. Where the person for know me? I mean the person not tell you the city where me first stay for Italy. The person not tell you the man name where me carry put for prison for Italy. The person not tell you. And the person also give you my number. Why the person not give you my own number for you to come and since the person know me too well from Italy? Why she or he not give you my number for you to call me on phone? Down. Just come on live video, call they talk rubbish. Just they lie. Eh? You they talk nonsense. I know you. Italy, yes. Me, I don't first stay for Italy. Fine. I don't first stay for Italy, yeah? Let me tell you for today. May you know. The person where you they accuse of say she first stay for Italy and she carried the belly from Italy come. Me, I don't dey here for France. Almost close to 8 years now. When me don't dey France. I don't dey France for 8 years. And me get France document for 10 years. I get France document for 10 years. So if me don't first stay for Italy before, I carry the belly from Italy conference. And the man who give me the belly, I put her for prison for Italy. Then I conference. Then how me to get my house? How me to get paper quick? How me fit the speed? How me to learn how to speak the language? my dear. Person carry matter come meet you. Then you just come on live video call the talk without say you never feel reason. You never feel thick. Just saying the truth now this person tell me so. But that girl they speak French and the girl say he get house. So how you got to get all those things? We be say he just knew for Italy conference. Babe, I never first stay for Italy before. If you say na Spain now, yes. And for Spain conference called the state, that was 2013. 30. So I for Spain conference, I go agree. Say maybe not truth. But see from Italy. Do I know Italy? Huh? I know. See, you don't find. In fact, look me well. My whole face resemble who you don't see for Italy. I beg. I just come here to cut up. Mind your own business. Just mind your own business for today. And go and delete that video where you put for your distance. So go delete my old picture, come up for there. I know what I can get for 2 times. Because if I come here again and talk, if me come out again because of you, come out here again because of you, you're not gonna like, oh, my dear, as your head not even take day normal. Now so my own just be, and I know they find trouble. I always they mind my own business. They mind my own business. So, but not find me trouble. Because if you find me trouble, my dear, hey. So just go to your waiting they call her whether na TikTok or be Instagram and everything. Go and remove my picture there and delete that video, because not be me the person tell you. Me, I never first stay for Italy before. In fact, not be Italy, not be me for know that useless, cause stupid goats, smelly man. Okay? Me I don't know I'm from Italy. I know I here for France. And before the man come meet me, before me even know, I don't already do okay. You hear me so? Don't be saying I ain't rent my house, give me. Don't be saying I ain't they feed me. So I beg, madam, Oma, mind your business and close your mouth. You hear me so? Don't carry my matter again. Don't carry my matter again, because I know fit you go they lie put for your body. I not be like that kind of person at all. Where you go they lie put for your body. It's just that I they try to cool myself. Oh, verses there where they send me all those videos. I just they cool myself. The only reason wait make me they cool myself down, because you know they stay France, and you know even still they stay for the same city like me. Where me they stay, yes, not there you they stay. I will say now there you they stay. I for personally come your house as a visitor, come and ask you who be the person where you say he know me, and where the person for know me for time. You go tell me. But because of say you know they France, I not be France you there. That make me just suffer. Say now you drop your case for one place. But never you come on live video again. Not come on live video again, call the talk rubbish about me. You feel come out on live video. Just come out on live video. Just be talking about you on other people. But not be me. Not carry my matter come on live video again. No let my matter concern you. Never think say na my case, you want carry come on live video, call the talk. Because if you say na my matter concern you, my baby, you go let me. Oh God. I beg. Just so you sit down your own. Stay your own and let me stay my own. Not call they talk rubbish, cause they accuse me for it another one. Yes. I stay for Italy before. When you even still they talk and say The reason why she put the man for prison is that the man, they try to tell her, say, make she know they carry, when me, you, not be me, not be me. Where you know they carry belle, pay, go they sleep with different men, they go. Babe, it be like saying your head no cut. It be like say you they create. You see me like who go get belle, go they carry the belle, go they sleep with different women. You not just only insult me, you also insult my little baby John. Say I they carry the belle, go they sleep for different men, they go for Italy there. Ah bon? So before you even think of lie, you know what, I ask yourself a question. So you think say I resemble una when I be say una go there for Italy for there, they begin they pass man to my ass, go they fuck before now see money take feed. No, I don't do that. So I use my hands to work. I work in France, I get my money. So I dey work. So I not be those kind of people where be say you go sleep for different men before then go see money to eat. So not try me. Because not carry, in fact, never think of carrying my matter again, come on or live video call they talk. Because if you try and again, if you try, if you even dream of say na my matter, now you want carry come out on live video call they talk, like say it go be me as you. Not carry my matter again. If you not this stupid man also carry my matter, call go meet you. Say may you come on live video call they insult me. So why he not come out on live video by himself and insult me? Why he come be say now you he call say come. So if you not the man tell you that thing, let me let and know say. I don't be like this can I not be others the baby mama before. Maybe say they use them like a slave. See, make it go find church when you go carry yourself, go wait there. In fact, when you go ask God, say make God forgive him for the sin when you don't come. Because wait see the worry that man, no be waiting me as you go feel solve. The kind of course we be say if they follow that man they waka, not be waiting me as you go feel solve. Make it call the people for Africa when you kill their own children, as they say, make them forgive them before they go feel. Maybe they go feel forgiven when he asks for forgiveness for those people will be say he don't feel key. So and also licky plate, idiot. If you make noise again, I get your video many. I get the many. But I only just the pity you. You know why? Not be just too late, not be yourself. Because of that innocent baby. I don't think kind of is useless so-called smelly father. This sticker they share, they go for Facebook, they go. So now make me lock all this video. But if you they send people cause they meet me, say make them insult me, make them they provoke me, my dear. I go carry all those videos, you know now. All those videos where they say if you sit down for parlor, my old parlor where they say now me they pay rent put. You go just sit down, bizarre, begin they carry your this thing, they shake hand like this thing mumu. If you provoke me, forget. I go post all of them out because you, even that baby don't know you as a father. You hear me so? The baby don't know you as a father. Anyway, I get good news for you guys. Those of you now when they talk rubbish. Just they talk rubbish. They collect the baby because I say she not go at because she not get it. Now so Shosha begin they follow and the very day she get that belly and she don't know she begin they do anyhow. My dear me and Rezebo now when I be say I don't know how to take care of our own children. And Rezebo now when I be say now they carry different men because they fuck them for the presence of my children there. And Rezebo now see. When they even talk about antenatal and they go work, and when they talk about Shosha, I don't get Shosha. You hear me so? Now me go they find Shosha to get because me I not get. And I will say me get Shosha that time. Maybe all this rubbish for not happen. Maybe me for use that man. Maybe if for don't take away that man for go prison for waiting in they do what the rubbish when they do for my house. Now because I don't get Shosha, I say one. How will say me get? Forget to I get France. I get France document fine, but I never get the passport. Now you, I for you still get the passport. And you get luck say I never get Shosha. You hear me so? Begin the same people after me. Hey, I met my mom go say me she everybody all know said everything where that get talk, all of them are lie. Because I never first stay for Italy before. Italy don't know me. And me too no still know Italy. So everything are fake. And that boy also wake you still come out because they say you a carry police can't drive your mama husband come up for your house. You carry police can't drive the man come up for your house. Man, the man tell you say na ain't get my house. The man tell you say my house na you. The man tell you say now they pay the rent of this house. So why you call carry? Why this man they lie for now? Why una just carry? Una no fair confirm whether na truth or na lie talk. Now you carry the matter now come on live video call it talk because live video double na mate now. You see me carry police, go drive my husband for that husband. He met to Piaka. I cannot marry to that small. Which I'll call her. I thought to call her junkie. Junkie don't too much. Wait till me go call her now. Licky plate. No be me talk more. Hey God, oh I beg. I beg, in fact, stay away from me. Stay away from me. If you see me for road, just do like see you not know me before. And also with me. If me see you for road, I go do like say I don't know you before. That be the thing. Me and you will not get anything covered again. So stop to the same people. Come out by yourself and talk. As me there, so me I not get anybody to say make the person call insult you. No, me go come out by myself and insult you. So if you want to talk to me, if you want to insult me, come out by yourself and insult me. I be your friend, not go greet say make you insult me for your house. You know say now your friend put you for a house now because you do not get anywhere to stay. So I thank God for that friend. Merci beaucoup. Thank you so much for you to carry that kind of person. But I know say the guy no go, you don't go, the man no go take for you. He no go take for your ass now. That man will be say come on to bath. He know they feed the bath. I be come on to even clean house. He know they feed the clean house. When they will talk about support, lie, no one will feed the do. But just they sleep. Wake up, smoke, drink, sleep. Lazy he goes. Walk, you know they walk. All your mates go there, all of them. Those one with the level. If you see five boys today, all of them there for streets, begin the beg, begin they do all those things. All the name of say they don't want to say me woman is salt. They say now me they feed you. All of them begin they also. No, you as a man, when they say you be grandfather for that matter. 47 years old man, you are there. Still would they look for place to sleep, place to eat, place to smoke. Are you not ashamed of yourself? You not go think? Think as your mate. Now, I beg, help me and tell your brother the land where you say una get full Benin, una get almost about 30 land for Benin. 40 land for Benin. I beg, I define one to buy. Oh, if your brother go fit sell one, give me. I go like to buy. But me and you know say you never even get all those things for Benin. Your fake life, all this fake life we don't live before for 1990 something. Now the fake life now you want to live for this 2021. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Why can't you go and also go and walk? Go walk. I'll be like your mate. If you me we be small picky here. If me not get money a day, I'll dey cry, I'll begin to worry. Say I no get money, I no get money. Eh? Why you will be man, old man as you are, 47 years old man. You just did there. You the way say where small children call they feed you. You go give hotel and ask for 5 euro there. All of them go begin to delay money give you. So you have to go and declare yourself as an handicap. Handicap. Where you even not say for France here. Even me when be say my body complain like this, me na small picky and can never go declare say me na handicap. Say you will be old man, 47 years old man. You they go for France and France to everywhere they thought say you be handicap. Say you know if you work, you be this. So where France call do it now? Where France call go carry you put from one place, begin they feed you, begin they because now they bonjour. Yeah? Now they bonjour. As for that girl, madam, I not blame you too much. I not blame you too much because why you don't know me for I. If you know me for I, you for no say. I know be person where person they find trouble. Because I know they find trouble. I they do my own they go. But not find me trouble. If you find me trouble, my dear, I go give you. Not find me trouble. Just they avoid me. Don't carry my matter come on live video. Cause they don't say now so me carry belly for another country, come on another country. As in for waiting now. I know you before. I know you before. When you they talk say I carry belly for another country to come another country. I know you. Eh? I know you before. Your papa nyash, your mama nyash, your he goat nyash. I don't blame you. I want to the block all of my nyash. Just the block now, the block now nyash, the block now nyash. You me so make up punish you. She said she saw it on that I have the same planet. Congratulations. I grab her. I put my thing on the ground. I said, God, thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. What is this thing you did? Oh, God, does not really exist. I cried, shout. I was so excited. That was April 30th. We are in October now. Last week, Thursday, after I finished with the prayer, we finished. I said, okay, let me relax a little bit. Pastor Jen, I cannot keep this testimony anymore. It's bigger than my head. It's bigger than me. I cannot keep it. I said, I must give this testimony today. I cannot Oh my God. I just laugh. You be fool. If you know me fool, you be goat. I even need space for my Facebook so that way people will come. So this girl, now you me call total for year. So may you mind your own business and stay away from me. You hear me? So stay away from me. Now they come on live video call they talk rubbish. Both witty, you don't know witty, you know. Now they carry the talk, they go, they talk rubbish, just they carry the talk because say you want to get money. Yeah, and I mean now you want to use to get viewers, begin they get followers. I mean, you want use me to make money. Now God go punish you. You hear me? So now God go punish you for that kind of thing where you want even try with me. So not carry my matter come out again, cause they talk. Even if that man I in the same they go, what they call her, whether Ozigede Abin or Ozigede Abin or Ozigbe. So if you carry my matter, give you, say me you carry come alive, you call they talk, my dear. Not try and again. Not try and again. Not try and again come. Because if you come again, come and insult me. Not be insult self, cause they talk rubbish. Cause they talk say na so I carry belle for Mitali conference. Call say the man wey give me the belle, I put him for prison. Are you if you get sense? Man wey give me the belle, the man young. Fine. I carry the man put for inside prison. Come follow man 47 years old man run conference. As in na money na that 47 years old man get. Now make me run for follow and come conference. I been if this thing too big, it cassava too big. Now make me run follow and conference. Babe, not try. In fact, never try this kind of rubbish again. Never try it. In fact, never try again. You hear me? So not the kind of they accuse me for waiting me no one. Waiting me no know anything. So not be me be the girl. Okay? Not be me be the girl where you carry belle for Italy come. Maybe your friend, I be your sister. Then carry belle from Italy conference. Come born. And why they carry the man where they say he give them the belle. They carry and put for prison. Why they call conference? Not be me be those people. Not be me, you hear me so? And stay away to avoid me and my old baby. Never you talk about my baby again. Never you talk about me and my baby again for this live video. If you talk again, I will bite your tongue. I will move on chopping. You hear me so you decrease. If this comment again, I'll block her. Oh God. Let me see one comment where this person comment. Let's see one comment where this person. I don't blame you, not your fault. Okay. Are you hungry? Not be your money, not be me to draw now. So why do I panic? Not be panic for your message. Since not be your money. Okay. Fine. I don't through with this video now.